Hi. In this video, we will be learning about the Run SQL Script workflow task in Astera Data Stack. The Run SQL Script task provides flexibility to write an SQL code within Astera and execute it as part of a workflow. To start, open a new workflow and drag and drop the Run SQL Script object onto it. Next, open the object's properties. This is where we will configure a connection with the database. To connect to a database, we will click on the drop-down menu next to the Data Provider field and select a data provider from the list. To establish a connection to a data provider, we can fill in the credentials such as user ID, password, server name, database, and schema. Right now, we have selected the following database. Next is the Run SQL Script Properties screen. In the SQL statement box, we can enter the SQL code. This code will be executed by the Run SQL Script task. Click Next, and we will be taken to the Parameters screen. This is where users can set up variable parameters to indicate a runtime change for values in the list on the screen. Click OK, and the Run SQL Script task will be configured. For our use case, we will be executing a workflow that contains the following scenario. We will first drag and drop a Run SQL Script object onto the workflow. We will configure the object with the Northwind database, and then add an SQL script that creates 10 new records in the customer table in the database. Now, we will connect the Run SQL Script object to a Run Dataflow object. Within this Run Dataflow object, we will add the path to a data flow. This data flow will take the customer's data from the table that was created using the SQL Script object, perform expression and data cleanse transformations to it, and then finally load the data to a PostgreSQL database. On successful completion of this task, we will add a sendmail task ahead of the Run Dataflow task, which will send us an email indicating successful completion. Our workflow will look like this. This concludes the working of the Run SQL Script task within the scope of a workflow. For more information on Astera Data Stack, please visit our documentation site. Thank you for watching.